In this section, we will explain how we used Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services to build a natural language understanding model for the chatbot. Natural language understanding, NLU, is the ability of a computer system to understand the meaning and intent of natural language input, such as text or speech. NLU is essential for creating conversational applications that can interact with users in a natural and intuitive way. Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services is a collection of cloud-based services that provide various AI capabilities, such as vision, speech, language, decision, and search. One of the services offered by Azure Cognitive Services is Language, which provides several features for natural language processing, NLP, such as sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, entity recognition, and more. One of the custom features offered by Azure Cognitive Service for Language is Conversational Language Understanding, CLU, which enables users to build custom NLU models to predict the overall intention of an incoming utterance and extract important information from it. CLU only provides the intelligence to understand the input text for the client application and doesn't perform any actions. By creating a CLU project, developers can iteratively label utterances, train and evaluate model performance before making it available for consumption. The quality of the labeled data greatly impacts model performance. To simplify building and customizing your model, the service offers a custom web portal that can be accessed through the Language Studio. You can easily get started with the service by following the steps in this quick start. To build our NLU model for the chatbot, we followed these steps. 1. We created a CLU project in Language Studio and specified our domain and scenario. Our domain was technology and our scenario was helping users with tech problems. 2. We defined our intents and entities for our model. Intents are the actions or goals that users want to achieve with their utterances. Entities are the pieces of information that are relevant to those intents. For example, we defined an intent called troubleshoot for users who want to fix an issue with their device or software, and an entity called device for the type of device they are using. 3. We added sample utterances for each intent and labeled the entities in them.